This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying safe mode is active and acting fast. First, remove any case or accessory that might hold a button depressed. Stuck buttons are a common cause. Once done, restart the Itel. Hold power, choose restart, or power off and on again. If safe mode disappears, you're done. If not, make sure buttons aren't physically jammed and continue. Don't waste time reinstalling apps until hardware is ruled out. You now focus on software causes. Boot into safe mode by holding power, then long press power off and tap safe mode. In that environment, third-party apps are disabled, so you can safely uninstall anything added just before the issue started. Once you remove one suspect, reboot normally to test. Also clear cache for the launcher and any updated system apps via Settings App Storage. This process isolates the offending app without data loss. You reach the final options: backup photos, contacts, and accounts to cloud or PC. If safe mode won't exit after hardware checks and removing apps, perform a factory reset from Settings System Reset. This erases data but removes persistent software faults. After reset, reinstall apps selectively and monitor. If safe mode still returns, it likely indicates a hardware fault with power or volume buttons. Make sure to check the button flex or take the Itel to an authorized service center for repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.